TQ says, Total Quality says, hi, Bill. When networking through LinkedIn, is it advisable to connect with a person as close to HR as possible if you don't know, can't find the actual decision maker? I get that so often. Don't connect with HR. That's not what we're doing here. It's easy to connect to a recruiter. You apply for a job. It goes straight right to the recruiter. It goes right to the recruiter who's looking to fill that position. Isn't that perfect? You don't need LinkedIn to connect to a recruiter and say oh, let's be friends. The reason for using LinkedIn is to network with people who aren't the recruiter, okay? And if you're looking for a decision maker, the decision maker will be the manager. Any manager is a decision maker for hiring. If they don't supervise people directly and are hiring people directly, a lot of the times they are called in to assist in the decision-making process. Just give me your 2 cents. Who should we pick? So what I mean is that pretty much anyone with the title manager is probably, the likelihood is that they are a decision maker for a job. Now, if you're a fully qualified accountant, right, you probably won't want to connect with a sales manager who supervises salespeople because you're not a salesperson. You would want to connect with the accounting manager, right? Or the chief financial officer. That's what LinkedIn is for. That's how you do networking on LinkedIn. So you connect with the appropriate manager. So the way that works is that you would probably want to do a search in your area at a certain company, let's say, for people with a certain title. They have the word manager in their title, and you look at all the results, and several of the managers will be in the accounting department. Those are the ones you would want to connect with. Don't use the LinkedIn method to connect with recruiters. It's unnecessary, and recruiters don't want you to go through alternative channels. They want you to just send in your job application. They want to funnel you into the standard channel, right? The whole point of this is to go around that, is to circumvent that hiring system.